Have you ever wondered how precious your sense of hearing is? It connects you to the world, enables communication, and enriches your life with a symphony of sounds. But what happens when that vital sense begins to deteriorate? Meet Cerebrozen Hearing Supplement, a revolutionary product designed to enhance hearing health and protect your ears from the ravages of time and noise pollution. Cerebrozen stands out for its unique blend of 100% natural ingredients, harnessing the power of ginkgo biloba for its antioxidant properties, vitamin B12 for nerve health, and zinc to boost immunity. It not only strengthens your body's natural defenses, but also reduces the risk of age-related hearing loss. What are the benefits? Imagine enjoying a lively conversation in a bustling cafe or savoring the soft sound of raindrops on a tin roof. Cerebrozen improves hearing clarity, increases concentration, and improves sleep quality by reducing symptoms of tinnitus. In short, Cerebrozen is more than just a supplement, it's a commitment to preserving one of your most vital senses. With its strict quality control and multiple health benefits, it is a beacon of hope for those seeking to improve hearing health. Give Cerebrozen Hearing Supplement a try and feel the difference. You will not want to miss this special offer that I took advantage of directly on the official website of the manufacturer of Cerebrozen. When ordering 6 bottles or 3 bottles, you get 2 free bonuses. It is an incredible opportunity to get the maximum benefit from this unique supplement. Cerebrozen ingredients are carefully selected, completely natural, and backed by scientific research. They are combined in the precise proportions needed to provide exceptional hearing health support. In addition, the product is free of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, no stimulants, no side effects, and shipping is free. And don't worry, your purchase is protected by a 60-day warranty. That means you can try Cerebrozen without any risk. If for some reason you are not satisfied, your money will be returned. Our satisfaction and well-being are priorities for the creator of Cerebrozen, Daniel Lopez. Don't waste any more time and take this opportunity to take care of your hearing naturally and effectively. Click on the link of the description or fixed comment that I left for you to access the official website and place your order right now. Feel the difference Cerebrozen can make in your life. Have a great day, even more.